Annyeonghaseyo, back to your name. So this is my room after the room renovation. So this is the window. This window. And this is my bed. Yeah, it's so clean. And this is my fan for a meantime because the big one was in our living area, and my father thought that this is for me, but this is actually not for me because my ceiling fan was in our living area, so that's why they put this, because they thought that it was mine, but it was not mine. And this is my light, and there's a small box there so that I can actually put some of my things and dress. So this is my some dress for meantime because all of my dress was so madami, so it's not kasha there. And this is my shoes that you give. And this is the papers, the bond papers and the trophy. And yeah, it was good. It's neat and And this is my dirty uniform. I'm going to lapad that because we have a class tomorrow. And yeah, so there actually a window there because my mom thought that this is my mom said that she's not allowing me to cover this because while I'm sleeping they are watching me, so they can sure that I'm okay. So I'm going to put curtains there because to make sure that I'm okay. Yeah, and it's actually done. This is the the ceiling. Yeah, actually done. And this is my window and my bears. That. So may the picture name. But I'm going to put there some wallpaper I ordered online, and I'm going to put there a wallpaper so the color of my room will be white. And yeah, so excited to my wallpaper because I'm actually gonna change it into white. I'm not gonna use Pental because there's no design, so I decide to put some wallpaper, so meron na siya design daan. So Bactrinium Kamsa.
Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for your King of Kings comes in and love. He's been the Lord, and then turn around, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for this King of Kings.